Do your plants grow slow no matter how much love you give them? Today, I'm revealing my top secret formulas that will boost your plant growth like magic, naturally and affordably. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Forget expensive chemicals. The first formula is a homemade compost tea that feeds your plants instantly. Simply steep kitchen scraps like banana peels, vegetable waste, and a handful of used tea leaves in water for 24 hours. The result? A nutrient-packed elixir your plants will absolutely love. Just pour it directly at the base once a week and watch those roots spring to life. Next, unleash the power of Epsom salt and baking soda. Mix 1 tablespoon of each in a liter of water and spray it on your plant leaves. Epsom salt gives a magnesium boost, while baking soda protects against fungal infections. This combo strengthens stems and promotes vibrant, fast growth, especially for flowering plants and veggies. Another secret? Rice water. Don't throw it out after cooking. Rich in minerals and starch, rice water acts like a gentle, natural fertilizer. Finally, add a pinch of cinnamon to your soil. Not only does it fight off fungus and pests, but it also stimulates root growth. Try these natural hacks and let your garden thank you with lush greenery and rapid results. Don't forget to like, share, and comment.